Welcome back, dear students. Today we will learn some vocabulary words that is very important in English. So today we will learn one word substitution. So what is one word substitution? The word that help us to replace a group of words or phrases. In place of group of words or long sentences, we can use only one word that can help us to express our ideas or feelings. That is a one word substitution. That is also very important in competitive exams and also important in our day-to-day life, day-to-day English conversation. So let us learn and remember one word substitution words, right? So let us start. One who loves his country. Hope that you have idea about the word. One who loves his country. Independence Day is approaching, so patriot. Patriot is a person who loves his country. Similar बेटा जब आप ये word ढूंढो patriot, you can search in dictionary. You can also go for patriotism, patriotic. So these are the groups of word that has same word substitution. तो आप यहाँ से भी इसकी और parts of speech को निकाल के check कर सकते हैं और अपनी vocabulary में add कर सकते हैं. Patriot, patriotic, patriotism. So we have number of words to learn. So here in this class we will learn the person who loves his country. Even everyone loves his country. So we can say we are a patriot. Yes, patriot. So next, one who is unable to pay his debt. One who is unable to pay his debt. That is insolvent. The person who is unable to pay his debt. The person is called, एक word में इसको हम बोलना चाहें तो that is insolvent. He is an insolvent person. He didn't pay his debts. तो जिसने अपना उधार नहीं चुकाया वो अब उसको एक word में बोलेंगे insolvent, right? Patriot, person who loves his country. Person who don't pay his debt, that is insolvent. So let us learn third word for today lecture. One who believes in God. Most of the people, everyone around us believes in God. हम सब हमारी family, हम सब mostly God को believe करते हैं. That is a theist. उसको हम English में बोलते हैं theist. Theist is the word that we use for the person who believes in God. Let us learn with the same thought process. The person who does not believe in God. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं चाइना में या कहीं और पे जो God को believe नहीं करते. Even in India also. The person who does not believe in God, that is atheist. That is atheist. A person who does not believe in God, that is atheist. One who is present everywhere. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. बेटा हम God को कई बार हम कहते हैं He is omnipresent. Everywhere He is present. Omnipresent. जो चीज़ जब person हर जगह पे हो, that is omnipresent, right? So let us learn and revise these, and then we will go for next, right? Again, one who believes, one who loves his country, patriot. One who is unable to pay his debt, that is insolvent. One who believes in God, that is theist. One who does not believe in God, atheist. One who is present everywhere, that is omnipresent. So let us learn some more words in one word substitution. These are the most important topic for competitive examination as well as our day-to-day conversation or writing skills. We have vocabulary of these words so that we can write beautiful context in our day-to-day conversation, right? One who knows everything. One who knows everything. Omniscient. One who knows everything, that is omniscient. One who can speak many languages. One who can speak many languages, that is polyglot. जो एक आदमी एक से ज़्यादा languages को बोल सकता है. English, French, डोगरी, पंजाबी, हिंदी, many languages, that is a polyglot. That is called polyglot, right? One who loves mankind. Number of people have a soft heart or a love for their mankind. That is called philanthropist. उनको बोला जाता है बेटा philanthropist. क्या बोला जाता है? philanthropist. One who loves mankind, philanthropist. हमारे spiritual leaders, हमारे बहुत बड़े बड़े patriotic persons. One who loves humanity, that is called philanthropist. One who loves his country, that is patriot, right? One who speaks less, इसको हम introvert एक term है, extrovert we will discuss it again, but यहाँ पे जो आदमी कम बोलता है, one who speak less, that is reticent, that is reticent. One who looks on the bright side of the thing. कोई भी हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव है, हम चीज़ों को किस नज़रिए से देखते हैं, हम चीज़ों को ब्राइट साइड पे देखते हैं या निगेटिव साइड पे देखते हैं. One who looks at the bright side of the thing, that is optimist. The person who looks at the bright side of the thing is optimist, right? One who looks at the negative side of the thing, one who looks at the dark side of the thing, that is a pessimist. Optimist, pessimist. Optimist, pessimist. Optimist is always bright, pessimist is dark, means negative. One who eats too much, one who eats too much, glutton. One who eats too much, that is glutton. A person who cannot read or write, that is a simple, and you all have idea about this word. One who can't read and write, illiterate. The person is called illiterate, who can't read or write. A thing that is fit to be eaten, a thing that is fit to be eaten. हम वो वाली कोई भी सब्सटेंस जो हम खा सकते हैं, that is edible. उसको हम बोलते हैं edible oil. Anything that can be eaten is edible. So there are many more words in one word substitution. We have to make vocabulary of all these words. We can learn one by one or in groups so that we have a vocabulary of number of new words, so that we can learn and speak very good English words in our day-to-day conversation, right? So that is all for today. Thank you so much.